At a young age, he didn't know what he wanted from life. So he chose engineering, without knowing why. He graduated and prepared for interviews. But the real interview began the day he entered the corporate world. Textbooks were silent. Machines were not. Practical knowledge was less. Expectations were high. He fought every day with tools, time, and self-doubt. In movies, someone always comes to save you. But in real life, who saves you? When there is no Rancho,